some of that powder and you just mix them together on like the side, like I do. And then you take it from where your eyebrow starts straight to where your curve is, like that. What a good tip is you hold it on the side of your nose and where your eye starts. You can kind of line it up. That's where your eyebrow should start. And then you go straight through your pupil. That's where your arch should be. And where your eye ends, where your eyebrow should end here. Again, you just take a little bit, mix them up. If you use too much of the gel, your eyebrow will look wet. It just takes a little bit of practice. And then you just fill it in with the lines that you made. Try and use this mirror. It's hard to see in that. And once you get to the center, you don't want to add any more product to your brush, so it'll make it look like a really harsh line. You just kind of want to use a light touch here and drag the leftover product. Like that. Again, you just take a little bit of that gel, some of that powder, and you draw a line where your eyebrow starts, to your arch. So bright in here. Eyes are not used to the light right now. If you grab too much product of that gel, you'll make your eyebrows look very wet. But the gel does help put that powder in your eyebrows, so I just use a tiny bit of it. And then once you get, you know, in here, use a lighter touch when you're applying. So once I get to the center, I kind of hold it farther down, just so I'm not holding a lot of pressure. And I just use whatever's left over on my brush and do small strokes. Like that. And then whatever, like obviously I messed that up a little bit, so I just take a thinner brush And I just take some of my foundation, or you can use some concealer. I just put a little bit on that brush, and I just kind of clean it up. Tell you, it's very, very easy to do this. Just go back and watch a couple videos.